The man accused of murdering an investigative journalist could take the stand at his trial next month. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Denise Valdez.
I'm David Charnes. It is a case we have covered since even before Robert Tellis's arrest. Tonight, I asked his new attorney how he plans to address the evidence against his client with the new revelation that police were actually watching him in the weeks before this murder. How do you defend a defendant like Robert Tellis?
The first thing I do is basically just become, consumed with the facts.
The facts for attorney Robert Draskovich are that his new client, former Clark County Public Administrator Robert Tellis, will not only go on trial for murder, but that he was also under investigation in an alleged bribery scheme in the weeks before his arrest.
I intend to represent myself.
Police arrested Tellis, himself a lawyer, in September 2022, days after putting out these photos of a suspect in the murder of Review Journal investigative reporter Jeff Gehrman.
Did you commit this murder?
The 8 News Now investigators first reporting investigators found Tellis's DNA under Gehrman's fingernails. After more than a year of representing himself in court, Tellis hired Draskovich ahead of trial, though we could hear from him again.
It's very possible that he takes a stand and testifies on his own behalf. I mean, it's his constitutional right to do so.
As the 8 News Now investigators reported Tuesday, Metro Police were tracking Tellis in the weeks before Gehrman's murder on a tip he allegedly received bribes for home sales his office conducted. That information could be key to his defense.
Obviously, if he's being surveilled, we should know his whereabouts. However, the file has not been forthcoming.
Tellis's phone was not at the murder scene the day of Gehrman's death, though we don't know what, if anything, the file says. Draskovich says he has yet to see that evidence or an audio recording a detective on that bribery case made with Tellis in an ambulance after his arrest on the murder charge. He also says body camera video from Tellis's arrest, which was supposed to be stored, was automatically deleted.
In this case, great. If you claim that you have conclusive evidence, but then you don't turn over evidence that should have been preserved, or that you were in the process of obtaining, you don't turn that over, what's really going on here?
A hearing over that evidence is scheduled for next week. Draskovich says he is actually ready to go to trial in March. Prosecutors previously said they would not seek the death penalty should a jury convict Tellis for murder.